5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do an inside turn with a 360. 1, 2, 3. Go around her. 5, 6, 7. Open up on 1. Now guys, we're going to be turning to the right, leaving the going left hand over the head. 2. We're going to keep turning 3 until we hammer lock ourselves. 5, back charge, 6, 7. When you're doing a Titanic, bring forward 1, crossing behind 2, 3, 5. I'm going to give her a Mambo jazz as I do a salsa step. 6, 7. So now on 1, I'm going to bring her in. 1, I'm going to misdirect her, keeping the hand on the shoulder, stepping opposite from her. 2, I'm going to walk under the hand. 3, turn to the left on 5, do a back charge, switching her hand into my right hand. 6, 7. So now I'm going to be turning her on 1, asking with the left hand. 1, going over the head. 2, I'm going to be walking around her as I hammer lock. 3, follow her on 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to be grabbing the hand, prepping her in on 1, over the head. 2. Now we're going to start going back to back on 3. The right hand is going to be staying low to finish her turn as the left hand goes over. 5, and we're going to hold it on 6, 7. So now the tension is going to be in the left. So I'm leading her with the left hand forward as the right hand goes over. 1. Now I'm going to continue with the right hand. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Pump up on 1. Cross the lead. 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Titanic. So basic. 1, 2, 3. Mambo jazz on 5 and 6, 7. Forward on 1. Right turn. 2, 3, 5. Open up on 6. So we're pumping back on 6, 7. Go forward now. Turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Go forward on 1. Turn 2. Turn 3. Stop on 5, 6, 7. You're gonna prep. You're gonna put your weight on the left foot. Now we're gonna go back to the right on 1. Turn 2. Turn 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.